Hey, it's Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, just like you. This is tutorial video number 35 of our math test prep series. Make sure you have your notebook, a pencil. Are you ready to go? All right, this domain is number and operations fractions. We have 2 2/3 plus 3 1/6. What kind of numbers are those? Mixed numbers. Those are mixed numbers. All right, so to add mixed numbers, when we add any type of fraction, mixed numbers, anything like that, what do we always need to make sure that we do? We need to make sure that we have the same denominator. We cannot add them together. We cannot add them together if they do not have the same denominator. All right, multiplying and dividing, it doesn't matter. But when you add and subtract, they have to have the same one, okay? So don't forget that. I think I've shown you 3 ways, but on this card, I'm going to show you 2 ways, okay? All right. So which one do I want to show you first? Okay, let me show you this way first. So I have 2 2/3 plus 3 1/6. So right here, I'm like trying to see at the same time. Okay, so I have the denominators are 3 and 6. What denominator can I use? So I can multiply 3 times 6 to get 18. But I'm looking at that 6 and you know what? I'm like, I can use 6 because 3 times 2 is 6. Let me just use that because that will help my life so much. So I don't have to simplify so much later, okay? So I'm going to use 6 so that 2 2/3 becomes a 2 4/6. And then 3 1/6, add them together, add that whole number. 2 3 is 5. And then 4/6 plus 1/6 is 5/6. Do I need to simplify? All right, now the other way. Oh, you know what? The other way, I just wrote it horizontally. So you can either write it vertically this way or horizontally that way. So I did the same exact thing. I converted them to equivalent fractions. The only difference is I wrote it horizontally this way. So I like to add my whole numbers first. So that 2 and 3 gives me 5. And then the 2/3 plus 1/6, same thing we did over there. We get 5/6. 5 and 5/6. Bam. There's the answer for that one. All right. Okay. Done with adding these mixed numbers. Again, what can you not do when you add and subtract fractions? You cannot add them or subtract them if they have different denominators. You need to have a common denominator. Common denominator, right? Please don't forget that because if not, wrong, and that would not be cool at all. All right? So practice. If you need more help, let me know. Let a friend know. Let a family member know. All right? Love you. Mwah.